When you're natural, do you have to choose between wearing your hair straight or curly with the fear of heat damage constantly raining over your head? Well, the answer is no, and I'm going to show you how. Well, hello lovelies. Before we get started, let's give a shout out to this video sponsors, Dossier, with their scent Fogier Bergamot. Now, this is a really delicious scent, and if you want to get your hands on it, make sure you check the links in the description box below. It has its top notes of bergamot, grapefruit, fig leaf, lavender, and a lot of other notes. So let's dive into this video. First, we're going to hop into Olaplex. I am using Olaplex 1, but a mixture of Olaplex 1. Olaplex 1 is something that you can only get if you have a cosmetology license or access to a cosmetologist that will get it for you. But I am here to tell you that this exact mixture that I am putting on my head is already made for you in Olaplex 0. So check the links in the description box below. And actually, we'll talk about that a little bit more in a second. But let's talk about my hair converting back after a silk press. Most people think that if you have natural hair that you have to pick one, either straight hair or curly hair, but I'm here to tell you that that could not be further from the truth. The key is learning your hair's texture and porosity, along with understanding how to get your hair from alpha keratin to beta keratin safely. Alpha keratin is your hair in its natural state. So when it's wet, unstretched, nothing's done to it. And beta keratin is the new form that you give your hair whenever you do a silk press, a roller set, anything like that, right? So first things first, I'm going ahead and putting on, like I said, my version of the Olaplex 1 that's sitting in my head for the allotted time. And make sure you follow the directions on the bottle, and then after that I'm going to follow up with Olaplex 3. But for you, if you're not a professional hairstylist, it would go Olaplex 0 and then Olaplex 2 or 3, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry. Make sure you follow the directions on the bottom. Bless the Lord. So I want you to take note of the fact that I am working this product into my hair, not my scalp. Notice how my scalp is dark and missing a product. All right. So now I am rubbing the product within my hair's cuticle. The purpose of this product is to help the bonds in your hair go back to the place that they were in before you gave yourself this temporary set, right? So I am getting in the shower and getting other things done, but first, after the allotted time, I'm going to go ahead and rinse out this treatment, right? And this is a treatment that I always do after I straighten my hair or color my hair or anything like that. So if you want to catch my silk press video, make sure you check the links below. But now I'm going to go ahead and shampoo, and the shampoo is bond maintenance, and this is Olaplex number 4. All right, whenever you're putting on your shampoo, think about putting it on like a ponytail, like when you're putting your hair in a ponytail. Do that motion and then go through and scrub the scalp. But remember, we want to go in downward vertical motions. All right. So we're going to go through and follow that, and then I'll do the same exact thing with my conditioner, which is going to be Olaplex number 8. Now in this case, because I am giving myself a treatment, I am using Olaplex 8 as my conditioner. Everyone, please stop using a conditioner and a deep conditioner in the same day. A conditioner has larger particles that simply meant to replenish the hair after a shampoo. A conditioner is for normal everyday maintenance, all right? But whenever we're talking about a deep conditioner, this is for treatment, because a conditioner's particles are small enough to go deep within the hair's cortex to repair whatever its functionality is. I really hope that makes sense. But understand that when you do a conditioner and a deep conditioner at the same time, this is when most people put themselves at risk for getting different levels of hydro fatigue. If you want a video where I go deeper into hydro fatigue, then make sure you leave it in the comments below. But right now, I am just making sure that all of this conditioner is being worked through my hair from, I don't really want to say roots because I'm not putting it on my scalp, but you get the point. Another thing I want to address, I tell you guys not to detangle your hair when it's wet, but detangling your hair is getting rid of matting and tangles and things like that. But combing your hair is something different. Also, I have high porosity hair. I do not almost own a steamer because I don't need one, because my cuticle is already open. But everybody, ladies and gents, please keep in mind that when you are in the shower, there is a whole bunch of steam. So your shower is your steamer. Yeah. So after I rinse out this conditioner, I am going to follow up with a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and then we will be using Olaplex again, but this time it's going to be Olaplex 6, the bond smoother, along with Main Life Collections Main Mint Foam. All right, so I'm going to use that to set these curls, and then after the curls are set, I'm going to go ahead and follow up with Olaplex 7, which is the bonding oil. I said oil like that because a question that I get a lot is like, Sin, is Olaplex 7, is it an oil or a serum? You guys, please do not trust me more than you trust the product line that you're spending your coin on. Okay, if you spent your money with them, you trust them. And I want you to pay attention to the bottle, because it says on the bottle bonding oil. Okay, so it is an oil, not a serum. Even though this oil, Olaplex 7's oil, is very low on the comedogenic scale, it is not going to block the pores or the follicles, but it is still an oil, and it says it on the bottle. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, rinse this conditioner out, and then we'll get, to doing everything after I get done rinsing off.
Is a four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words. Four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it. In it, yeah. Gravity at its limit. At its limit. Do you feel it? Game that I couldn't play. The memory card it got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway. Yeah, 'cause it's a maze every day. an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa, or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go.